Hey guys, malapit na kami doon sa bahay ng anak kong lalaking napakabait. Dito na ako kami, malapit na.
Nauna siya.
So nauna siya.
So, dito na lang yan eh. Diyan na sa
St.
may
Felix de Valois guys.
Ayan na yan, oh.
Napakagandang lugar.
It's this one here. Yan.
Napakabubuti ng mga tao.
Ito na yun.
Napakaganda at gwapo.
So, ito na yung...
Your destination is on the left.
Ito eh.
Hello guys, so andito kami ngayon sa doon sinabi ko kayo na doon sa anak ko, yung lugar niya kung saan siya nakatira, no? St. Felix de Valois. So yeah, tingnan natin kung ano meron dito. Kamustahin natin kung may dala kasi kami pagkain sa kanya, no? From time to time pupunta kami rito para dala namin ng pagkain, ano? Diba? Kasi sobrang busy nito. Puro trabaho, walang time makapagluto, no? Kakain lang sa labas. So, kawawa din naman, no? So, ginagawa si Mrs. nagluluto. The-drive ko, dadali namin dito. So, at least makakain na maayos, ano? Ginawa na namin.
Buddy, I need tissue.
Can you open? Aro? Careful with your shoe. Wala kang basahan dito? Huwag niyo ipasok yung sapatos niyo. Bim, wala kang basahan?
Huh?
Wala kang basahan para sa ano mo?
Yeah, it's there. Yeah. Can you close the door, dude? It's cold, man.
Yeah. So, napakaganda at simpleng bahay, no? Ng anak ko, no? Na si Arban. Ayos na rin, no? Simpleng pamumuhay. Meron yung anak ko rito. Ito ko yung anak kong bunso.
At least, nagbigay.
No, well, he didn't. So he had the set, and he wanted to get rid of the set.
So where's the other set?
We kept it. So he didn't want this, so he came back to me.
Yeah. Should I put this to 0, Bim? You know the mic, right?
The microwave?
Yeah. The mic for this. 0 or just plus 6?
I don't know yet.
Plus 6? Plus 6?
So what?
I got him a mic for Christmas.
Yeah.
Nice.
I got it.
Gusto mo ano, hindi pa siya
So I just put it 0, so.
I don't know. Oh, you're well dressed, D.
Huh?
What is what you why are you wearing that?
Wearing who?
You're dressing nice today.
I always dress like this.
Okay.
Ikaw pa nagkalmusal?
I always dress like this.
Ay, gusto mo almusal?
My son told me that I dress nice, but I always dress like this. This is my everyday dress.
Ayan. What do you want? Okay mo na nag-bye. Hihi mo na ako.
McGriddle.
Mag-griddle. Kayo, gusto niyo rin
So
kumain?
meron siyang aircon para sa
Basta talaga
sa summer, no?
Oh my gosh,
Just
look
my
how tall are you, man?
It's my size, my height.
Mike, he's taller than you, D.
Oh, it's same height. I'm always
Pretty taller than you, D.
I'm always almost 5'8", yeah. So nung summer dito kami nakatambay, no? Sa balkonahin.
That's not mine.
How'd you get this? How do you know what this is?
That's not mine. That's my folder.
Dating fire station, malapit lang kasi yung trabaho niya dito, no? Yung fire station.
That's for the hair. That's good.
So
I want
dito lang siguro 1 block away.
argument.
Yung fire station na andito, andun lang guys. Fire station, andun lang, no? Diretso kayo ron. Andun lang ang trabaho niya. So may mga bilihan rin siya na nandito guys. So
You're gonna see this on your room.
ano, bibili tayo?
Ako na lang.
Ay, sasama ko para makapag ano ako.
Ako na lang.
Makaikot para mag-vlog ako.
Vlog.
Ano?
Ikaw mag-drive.
Magdadrive ako.
Kaya nga, ako magpa-vlog.
Anong gusto mo?
Cut the
Arvin!
I want to be on camera.
Ha?
Cut
McGriddle
the
with
parts when I'm
bacon.
talking. I don't want to be on camera.
You wanna be in the camera?
No, cut the
Ikaw,
parts.
Alisa, you want something?
Okay.
Ano natin ng bibili muna kami ng pagkain. Although may pagkain sa likod na dala, di ba?
Almusal, mahal.
Almusal breakfast niya. Bibili kami ng
Misa ko na lang naman mabigyan ng ganyan yung bata eh.
breakfast.
Di ba daw siya almusal? Sabi ko. Ito, ano ang laki ng ano nila. library nila, municipal library.
Malaki yung library nila dito. Ayan, okay, so sa
Just
harapan.
right in front.
Just right in front. Tapos yung trabaho niya,
Ayan, madadaanan natin.
daanan natin guys yung trabaho niya, no?
Kasern.
Okay, even though this one is open.
So it says it's just straight ahead.
Hindi ko alam kung bukas ng speaker ko. I don't even know kung bukas. Ayun. So, chinek ko lang kung bukas yung speaker guys. Ayun, bukas yun. Ayun, so papunta kami dun sa, yun nga, dun sa yeah, I did. Okay. Sa ano guys,
McDonald's.
McDonald's, bibilan namin ng breakfast, no? Tapos yung pasal namin doon sa trabaho niya kung saan.
Ito na yun, di ba? McDonald's. It's right here.
Ito yung McDonald's, yeah.
Where do we go? It's right here. Ayun na yung kasern niya. Ayun. Pasok na lang ako, no? Kasi ito baka mag-frozen tong ano.
Oo, iwan mo na lang dito yung sasakyan. Nandito naman ako. So kukuha lang kami nung dito man. Breakfast ng anak ko.
Ayoko na lang.
Yeah,
I'm just gonna go inside.
yeah.
Just wait for it.
Okay. Okay guys, bibili muna kami ng breakfast, no? Nung anak ko. We'll see you again. Yeah, pasok tayo guys sa loob, no? Sa McDonald's. Bumili si Mrs. ng breakfast ng anak ko. Tingnan natin kung meron sa loob. Yeah. Yeah. Ako maliit. Okay. Malaki din yung McDonald's dito guys, no? Yeah, mukhang maganda rin yung lugar. So, tingnan natin kung ano meron dito sa loob. Yung mga breakfast nila. Lunch. Naka-order ka na? So, nag-order na siya, no? So, siguro yung small coffee lang, yeah. Black. Meron silang Joy Festin. Wow. Ang maganda rito, meron silang parang mga gift sa harapan ng McDonald's. Meron silang ganito. Ganda rin. Sarap na mga parang dessert dito guys, Yeah.
Bon déjeuner. Savourez l'un de nos 3 nouveaux sandwichs wrap déjeuner à votre choix chez McDonald's. Entre le wrap déjeuner avec
So, napakaganda dito sa ayoko lang lumapit doon, siyempre may mga kumakain baka maano sila no? At the same time may tindahan dito sa kabila. Maganda rin yung mga tindahan nila dito guys, no? Meron silang kung ano, no? Parang maliit na tindahan lang, Yeah. Nice. So kung ano, para ka na sa guys, Dalarama. Kung ano mabibili mo rito, no? Na meron sila. So na tayo sa tingnan natin kung ano meron sila rito. May mga beer, no? Kung mahilig ka sa beer guys, nandito. Coors Light, Budweiser. Ano lang, malit lang na Depanor, no? Ganda rin, no? Tsaka malinis kahit pa paano. Mga tinda sila kung ano, guys. Yung mga tinda nila. Order lang siguro ako ng maliit na coffee, no? Alam mo naman ako si coffee, talagang it makes my day. Yeah. Yeah, tapos naikot natin kung ano meron. Meron din silang Corona guys, oh. Corona Extra. Yeah. So maliit lang na tindahan, no? Pero maraming mga kung ano binibenta. At least kahit pa paano naikot namin kayo. So kunin natin yung order ni Mrs. I'll see you guys. Naka-order ka na? Okay na? Kukunin mo na lang?
Come on, sit. Saan ka out here?
There you go, nakuha niya na yung order niya, no? Yun, si Mrs. At least walang masyadong kumakain dito sa umaga, no? Hindi ka to doon sa lugar namin. Napakaraming tao, no? Sa McDonald's. Million ng tao sa amin. Dito ilan lang, ano?
Maliit lang na ano.
Maliit na lugar lang to, eh, no? Para doon sa atin, na tao na yan.
Pakita mo yan ni Ate.
Ayan, may pasok siya ngayon ng alas 12. Yeah. So natuwa ako, nadala namin ang pagkain ni Mrs. si Arvin. And then, you know, pabalik na kami doon sa pami, guys. Guys, thanks for watching. Yeah, we'll see you. Bye. Baka bawal ditong kumaliwa. So parang Montreal din naman ang style, no? Pero mas kukunti lang.
Ang ganda rito ng summer, ano? Kasi puro green dyan.
Yeah.
You know?
Totoo yan, ano?
Forest
Yung
dyan,
pinagkaiba
tingnan mo
po.
yan, no? Diba?
So medyo matagal lang yung go. Ayan, no? Guys, may Tim Hortons din sila. Meron silang IGA, Family Free, Dollarama. Ano rin, no? Yun lang naman, no? Dito purong Francais nga lang talaga. Mas marami dito. Marami rin mang bilingual, no? Kahit saan ka punta rito.
Mas maraming Quebecois.
Pero maraming Quebeco rito. Kasi pumunta kami dito, halos kami lang ang colored, kumbaga, no? Yung
Oo,
Asian.
parang pinagtitinginan ka eh.
kaya pag pupunta kami dito sa tindahan dito, pinagtitinginan kami, di ba?
Ito, ikutan natin yung
Ikutan natin yung trabaho ni Arvin, guys. Dito kami tumambay nung summer, eh.
Oo.
Pag pumunta ka ng tindahan dito, puro... I give it to you, no? Why do
Yeah,
you
it's
have...
still good. It's still good. I use it.
Bim, I give that to you. Why do you have to return?
Oh, okay. I thought you wanted it back.
No.
Hindi na yun ang gamitin mo.
I didn't...
Yeah, I can add it on this. I can't. If I could, I wouldn't buy another one.
Why? Bakit hindi
It
ka pwede
doesn't.
mag-edit?
Yeah, I tried. Trust me, I tried. It doesn't work.
Yeah, my quotes are the best for editing.
Let me see. But let's put Andrew in the camera.
Magkano ba yun?
All right, guys. It's Andrew Kane.
Pag ito na ganyan, hindi pa pwedeng ano yun.
No,
Ano nangyayari ako? Nakalagay sa YouTube.
Hey guys, this is my son,
Ow!
Andrew Kane. This is my daughter, Alisa Kate Angeles.
Andrew, let me go.
Can you cut this everything out?
Wala naman,
You
hindi
know
naman.
Daddy's gonna put it on.
Daddy
Ano
doesn't.
pag sinungaling ito eh. Hindi, tatanggalin ko yan. Pagtingin ko, nandun ako yung buhok ko nakagalong-galon, no?
Ay, nakalimutan ko tanggalin.
Visit to
The
eh.
main
Ako,
camera.
pag ako naaasar sa'yo, ha?
So, my son is rich.
Oh, I like that.
Kita mo guys yung crib, di ba? Kakaiba.
Kakaiba, what? It's ordinary.
Ha?
It's ordinary.
What do you mean? Girl has an ordinary life,
There you go.
ordinary
Arvin,
living.
kailan ang bakasyon mo?
There's no vacation, me.
So, paano yun? Pag summer, wala kang bakasyon?
No, unless I ask off.
Gusto ko mag-travel eh, next
Where?
summer sa... Let's see.
Where?
Europe?
Mami wants to go.
Oh! Good.
Gusto ko mag-Europe guys, ni
Ha?
Madam, ano?
Let's go.
Ano,
Siyempre
guys?
kasama ako dyan,
Ano
ano?
did you say?
Dick,
Mag-Europe tayo.
you're gonna vlog in Montreal.
I wanna vlog in Europe. Yo. You know, siyempre, kung
Siguro ano,
saan gusto ni
one week,
Madam,
ano, at least mga-
kasama ako dyan, sigurado yun.
We can go see Tita Arlie.
Yeah.
I mean,
You don't even know who that is, bruh. Why you wanna go see
Yeah, she
her?
made you do the.
Yeah, but you don't even know who
dance.
that is. But you don't even know who that is. Why do you wanna see
What are
her?
you talking about?
So,
Ninang mo yun eh, tama.
pinag-uusapan
Ayun.
nila yung
Singilin mo si Ninang mo.
Ninang ni Arvin
Regalo.
na yayamanin
It's
na
been
nakatira sa
22 years. I
London.
never had anything.
So, gusto raw bisitahin nila sa London siguro.
What was the
Ano
song
pangalan
that
niya?
you
Arnie?
hear?
Arnie, kamusta? Hindi ko alam kung mapapanood
What
ko.
are you doing? Is that big?
Spanish, yun na. Sisitiyam. Di ba yun yun?
So, may pasok siya ng alas 12 ngayon guys. At least,
Ah.
may chance kami na makapagdala
Wala,
dito
tapos
kahit
sila.
paano, mabisita namin. Dahil busy to, no?
Pero pag pumupunta ka na Montreal, you don't even like go, you know, or...
Me, I don't have time when I'm there. I have a busy schedule.
3 jobs, I know. Plus, he play a lot of basketball sa Filipino and then non-Filipino.
No, I don't pay.
Ano ka ba?
Nah, not really. But
Yeah, he play.
I coach.
He coach.
and I ref.
He ref. There you go. Ang dami niyang trabaho. May trabaho niyo. Coach, ref, firefighter.
Ay, ay, ay.
womanizer.
Ah, no,
not that one.
Relax.
Now womanizer.
That's a big problem. That's
Relax,
a big
relax.
no-no.
It's not a Connor thing, right? Anyway.
No,
Oh,
that is.
ibig sabihin nito ha, ikaw.
Well, he's a proven womanizer.
Proven, si daddy
Me?
mo.
I have never.
Ah, ito
I have
meron
never,
kayo, di ba
ever.
meron kayong calendar na puro
Oh.
men lang na ano?
But that's women's this year, I think.
Oh, can I have
Bakit
that?
Hindi kayo?
Can you have it? No, it's not mine. You can look at it.
Ano to? Dito yan sa ano?
Quebec.
Quebec? Ah, ba't kayo hindi?
Ba't kayo
Alam mo
hindi?
ba may nagpunta, may nag-alarm sa trabaho, no? Hindi nag-akyatan ng mga
Calendar,
ano.
guys.
Di ba kasi yung mga firefighters, mga young and
Yeah.
Calendar.
Alam mo lahat ng mga
De Pompi, guys, oh.
nagtakuan
Calendar
sa
de Pompi.
Dito na sila.
2026, puro babae. No?
Nagkaguluhan ng mga to. Hindi naman namang limit. What?
Look.
Ganda, guys. So, wow.
Oh my God.
Nice, ano?
They're so stupid.
So, ito yung ano,
Catch it to the camera.
Calendar.
calendar,
no?
no?
2026.
2026 calendar
Ng mga firefighter. This time is women.
Puro babae, this time is women. So, yung firefighters calendar, di Pompi. 2026, guys. Yun.
Sana ikaw
So,
next
kailan
week
yung
ikaw
kami
nandito
bibigyan ng
ka.
apo? Yun ang talong eh, guys, no?
no.
Kailan yung baby, kailan yung apo?
Ito, baka gusto
2 years,
mo
2 years, 2
In
years.
2 years time, guys.
Ang ganda.
Sundan niyo yan.
If
ha?
everything goes well, 2 years.
There you go. So, in 2 years, magkakaapo kami. Tapos,
We'll see. Then them no kids, but just me.
no kids. At least kay Alvin, makakatingin kami ng apo. Sigurado
Kailangan
yan.
kailangan ano ka
Sigurado.
Can you afford it?
Did I say right now? Did I say right now? I didn't say right now. I said 2 years.
Can
I said
he
2
afford?
years.
Of course. That's why he said in 2 years.
I said 2 years.
Nagpe-prepare
Maganda
pa
ng
siya.
mga
Tama,
babae.
no?
Hopefully in 2 years.
Yeah.
Look how pretty they are, eh.
Yeah, kaya nga okay din yung... Alin?
May mga abs, so tangin ang lalaki ng katawan. This one is pretty. I find her pretty. This one. Siguro dahil naka-makeup, pero ang daming pat.
Yeah, nice. So, sabi ni Bim, in 2 years daw, ano? Baka magkaanak na siya. So, tama yun. Tama naman yun. Plano,
Kaya
no?
mo muna siya kasi he wants to...
Yun nga sabi niya, no? Nakaplano na siya. So,
No,
Pero wala-
nothing planned for
well,
sure.
nothing planned daw. Pero, siyempre, hindi naman natin pwede i-pressure yung tao kung ano yung gusto niya sa
What you're
buhay.
doing now, that's pressure. Eh.
Pero sa amin, siyempre, bilang lolo at lola, gusto namin...
Ano kayo
Oo.
pa maging lola?
Na
Ano
ang
ka ba?
baby. Gusto ko na maging lolo. It's about time, no? 50 na ako eh. 50 na
about
ako. It's about time. Pero it's okay kung anong gusto nila, no? Kung ayaw o gusto. Okay lang yun. Pero mas maganda yung may maliit na baby, no?
You know that, right?
Ha?
People need money for that. You know that, right?
Ito may kumukontra, no?
There we go.
What can you say? So what can you say? No, say something. What can you say about having family, having kids?
People can barely afford it. A lot of people can't even get jobs, and the taxes are insane here.
Right, right. The more you make money, the more you get
Yeah,
more taxes to pay, right?
exactly. The cost of living is insane. Groceries are so much more expensive than they used to be.
Right. So it's not easy to have family anymore. Unlike
No,
before,
people can't
90s
even
and our
afford
time, yeah,
houses.
right. You can even afford. People can't even afford to have an apartment, right?
Yeah, it's true. Like, say
Yeah.
my salary, like my 2-week pay is like the rent cost.
People can't even
Yeah.
afford a chingaling.
Oh, the tingaling. Yan. Kaya maglambing yan anak ko.
Stop.
Nakita.
No.
Your turn.
Okay, I'll help you this time.
Yan, dalawa kayo. Hindi, tulungan mo si ate mo, loko. Mas malakas. Oh, yung kape ko. Baka mapilayan, Arvin, Andrew, huwag mo hawakan ng paa. Kasi that's where she get her balance. Why would you do that?
Arvin, stop
Why
it.
would you
She's
do
trying to
that?
scratch me.
Holding her.
Arvin, stop!
Kaya sila nung malilit pa, pero malalaki na ganun pa rin, no? Walang pinagbago. Kasi bata pa rin, no?
Yeah, that's definitely the kind of mentality you want to have kids, you know?
Right. Alright. Masaya kami nandito, no? Napunta namin. Buti walang kasama.
Oh, mamaya pa daw gabi yung...
Mamaya padating nung isang kasama niya.
Kasi syempre na.
May kasama siya rito, guys, ano? Yeah, firefighter din. Mamaya pang gabi ang dating. So, natutuwa ako. Nakarating kami rito, guys. At syempre,
Diretso from my 12-hour shift, you know, like
diretso si Mrs. ano, mula sa trabaho kayo. Off naman siya. And then,
mag-aasikaso.
cafe tayo, guys. And then, babawin lang kami by New Year, no? So, hindi namin alam kung anong Pasko
Ba't
namin.
hindi kinain na to? He doesn't want
I'm gonna keep it for later.
Ano kakainin daw niya later?
Huwag mo kainin ko ano meron, marami kang pagkain. Let him have it.
Oh, nice. Ikaw naman, no? Nakakain
So
ka
ito yung
naman
camera
eh.
mo, Neng, no? Na binigay sa kanya.
Huh?
No?
What?
Hindi, ba't ka pupunta doon sa kwarto niya? Sige, tingnan mo, you wanna see? Go.
So, yun nga.
Where did he go, Arvin?
Si
Nasa
Abby
banyo,
nasa banyo.
nag-shower na.
So, natuwa kami, nandito kami. Right? This is the first time you've been here, or?
No, nakapunta na siya rito.
Let me
Last
talk
time.
to him. Let's see his,
I've been here before.
how many times?
One.
So, she's been here once in her life. This is the second time, right?
Oh yeah, very dramatic way to put it, but yes.
Yes. People are watching, right? So, what do you think of this Saint Felix de Baloa? What can you say about it?
A lot of Quebecers